Still with me? Verse 12 says, fruit trees of all kinds will grow on both banks of the river. Their leaves will not wither, nor will their fruit fail. Every month you will bear fruit because the water of the sanctuary flows to you. Their fruit will serve for food and their leaves for healing. Every month, Henry, of this year, I will bear fruit. Every month, from January to December, every month, my business will bear fruit. Woo! I wish somebody that would activate their faith. Every month, I'm expecting the mother lode to drop in my life. Every month, I'm expecting a miracle from God. Every month. Why? Because I've let the river flow all the way from God's throne into my life. I'm expecting every month. Anybody? Every month, I'm expecting every month. I'm expecting supernatural favor. Every month, I'm expecting more of God's power and more of his wisdom every month. Like clockwork, because I've let the river flow. I've removed the dam off of my praise, and I'm letting the river flow. And my fruit will serve as food. And my leaves like healing. Woo! People can come in my presence, hold a conversation, and leave energized. And if they are ill in any capacity, they can eat off my leaves and be healed because I'm connected to the true vine and I'm just the branch and I'm going to let this healing flow. Woo! Let it flow. Let it flow.